welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Sunday, October the 23rd of 2022, and I'm here with another day of Vlogtober. I think it's 17 now, day 17. Busy day so far. Went to church this morning, went to Target to do my video, and now I'm at Walmart because my grandma called and asked if we could pick her up some groceries, and Target either doesn't sell most of the groceries or they're ridiculously more expensive. So in Walmart now, trying to pick up the things that she requested. Just a few little odds and ends. I'll show you everything when we get done, but yeah, it's kind of what's up. This is a different Walmart than I usually shop at, so I have to look, like, I don't know where anything's at, so I have to keep looking stuff up in the Walmart app. So it's taking like twice as long. Plus, it's just like really busy, and there's like a bunch of pickup people in here. Like earlier there was a pickup guy with 2 carts going, so it's pretty hectic in the Walmart today. I'm not going to pay $3.98, but that looks interesting. Nutty Buddy cereal. Let me know, guys, if you tried this and how does it taste. I've never seen these before. Air fryer liners. We usually do this with parchment paper, but it's hard to find one that, like, to make it fit the air fryer basket perfectly. So I'm actually probably going to pick these up and give them a try. $3.78 for 50, so not too bad. All right, guys, I wanted to show you real quick the stuff I picked up at Walmart. Most of this was my grandma's. She asked for sugar, so got that. She asked for brats. This is an interesting combo of stuff, so got her that. These were $4.47. This was $2.12. I'll tell you, stuff's gone up. She asked for some margarine specifically, so this was $1.98. She wanted some poppy seed dressing. This was $2.37, I think. Salt and pepper, $1.60 something. She asked for tuna pouches, so these were 94 cents, I believe. And then she wanted some cat food, so got that. And then we need this for a meal this week, Italian seasoning mix, or Italian salad dressing mix, so pick that up. Then I got some air fryer liners, and I found some more formula for Zola, which is perfect because they're not able to find it in South Carolina, which is wild. So got some of that. All right, let's check out.
I get a medium cherry freeze and a large black coffee.
All right, so Dad was nice and got me an icy. So good. Weekends always call for ices. Well, really every day calls for one, but you know, awesome.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, it is actually Monday now. So awkward. I didn't finish the vlog, so I'm sorry about that. But I thought I was originally going to film yesterday, but then kind of just turned into a day of working on a big, like, reno project. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a big project, but a pretty, you know, a room reno for my workspace filming setup. So kind of just turned into working on that all day yesterday. So it'll work out really good. I'm really excited for it. So we've been working on it. My mom helped me a lot. We put up some wallpaper, like peel and stick wallpaper from Walmart, and just kind of working on purging things. I literally have 2 bags of stuff to go to Goodwill. So, and I'm sure there's more, I'm sure of that, but it looks really good. So it's gonna kind of finish up the decoration and stuff today, like getting it staged all nicely, and then I'll show you guys that, and I'll start filming. And so there wasn't much else to film, so I thought I would just go ahead and do a joint vlog today, kind of combine Sunday with Monday and just take you guys along, so, you know, whatever. So anyways, now we got a couple errands to run. We're going to run to Sam's Club because we ran out of a couple things that we get at Sam's Club. So we're going to go there really quick and pick up a few things. Traffic is nuts, guys. It's pretty crazy. I'm like trying to turn, and there just more and more cars keep coming. We're going to go to Sam's Club, and then we are also going to be trying a new dinner recipe I found on Pinterest. It's like a Parmesan crusted chicken. So you mix the Parmesan cheese with some Italian, or as my friend Kaylee's mom would say, Mockingjay, she calls it High-Italian. Yeah. Italian dressing mix with Parmesan cheese, and you like coat the chicken in it. It's supposed to be really good, so I'm really excited to try that. We're just gonna make some rice and probably like green beans. I think we have some green beans. and probably some biscuits or something, because you guys saw my last Kroger haul where I bought like so many biscuits because they were really cheap. So, but anyways, we're gonna go to Sam's Club, and then after that, my dad has a outing at his work where they're supposed to dress up in costume. So we are gonna go and get him. Of course, he didn't tell us that they were doing this when all the big candy sales were going on, so we don't have candy for him, so we have to buy him some at full price. Boo. Thanks, Dad. No, just kidding. It's okay. And then he wants a costume, and so we told him we would run to the Halloween store and see he wants to dress up as Bob Ross, which would be awesome. Like, seriously, that would be awesome because he loves Bob Ross. So hopefully we can make that work. And yeah, it's kind of what's up. So, okay, we just got to Sam's Club. Let's go in and pick up what we need. It's way too hot for long sleeves, but I got my new shirt. Finally, the Moose and Noggin shirt. If you guys are from my era, or if you had kids who were, I'm sure you know who they are. But I wanted to wear it, so rocking the long sleeve, even though it's gonna be like almost 80 today. Guys, look at this Skinny Pop. You either have white chocolate peppermint, gingerbread, or snickerdoodle. Guys, I bet those are good. The Sam's Club free thing is giving out free Airwick warmers. Guys, if you're a couponer, you don't need any more of those. I don't care if it's free or not. So it's not Halloween yet. They're already clearancing the costumes. What? Why? That doesn't make any sense. All right, so done at Sam's Club. Just got water, Zevia, some vitamin water, and Dad's candy. And then Mom got some slippers that are pretty cheap. So that's the Sam's Club fun. Okay, guys, we came to the Halloween store to get my dad his costume or whatever. This place kind of gives me the creeps. We don't celebrate Halloween, so the scary stuff just feels ugh to me. But I did want to show you some of the cool costumes they do have. And dressing up can be fun as long as it's not scary, especially if you're a kid. But they have Teletubbies. This is all stuff from my childhood. Teletubbies, Big Bird, Elmo, Cookie Monster, Barney. Like, that would scare some people. Toy Story. Barney was kind of creepy, but I loved Barney. Snoopy, Toy Story, all that fun stuff. Cool. Right, so we got him the Bob Ross get up here and the paint palette. So pretty cool. I'm excited to see how he looks all dressed up in it. So they did give out free Oreo Cakesters, which is nice. And believe it or not, I've never had an Oreo Cakester. So I'm excited to go ahead and try this guy. But yeah, so pick this up. And they have everything else at home for Dad's costume, just like a paint easel. So we're just going to take that, and then just the shirt and jeans. And I think he's got that on hand. So we're good. Got that done. All right, so for dinner tonight, we are making that Parmesan Italian crusted chicken. So I started out here by getting about 3/4 cup of just grated Parmesan cheese, and I kind of just crushed that up because there was some lumps, and I put that in a big hefty Ziploc bag, whatever you have. And then I put in an entire packet of Italian dressing mix into that. So I did that, just shook that all up to make sure it all gets evenly mixed in there. And then you are just going to take the chicken and dump it in the Ziploc bag and just shake it all around. Be careful because somehow it busted open, so we need to be careful with that. But you're going to put it in there and shake it all around to get it evenly distributed with the mix and on both sides. And then you're just going to cook that in the oven. Then we made some green beans. I just do pretty basic. I like the frozen green beans from Target. I put some olive oil, salt, and pepper on there, mix it all around, and it always turns out really, really, really good. Let them bake for a bit in the oven. Just put it in there with the chicken. Turns out really good. Then I made some of this rice-a-roni rice pilaf. So you got to have water. We made 2 boxes total, so 4 cups of water. Then it says to do 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 per box. So we just did 2 tablespoons total, and it was more than enough. So we always cut back on the butter typically. You kind of just mix that around and let it saute, and then you're going to put in the seasoning packets and water and just cook it and let it do its thing. And then this is the finished product. This is just my plate. Guys, that chicken was amazing. I highly, highly recommend trying it. It's so good. And of course, you can't go wrong with some rice and green beans and a biscuit there. It was the crescents, but I just made it into regular biscuits because why not? Delicious. All right, guys, it is now 9:33 p.m. So a little bit since I've last updated. You notice anything different? This is my new workspace, filming space area, whatever. I love this. So thank you to my mom. She was such a huge help. Really getting all this put together. She's really good at like designing stuff and getting stuff looking good. She had this idea to get this peel and stick wallpaper. I put it on another wall in my bedroom, but she thought, well, what if we had an area in your room with this wallpaper kind of as a good filming area, a filming backdrop? Because I originally filmed in like my Etsy workspace, and honestly, it just looked really cluttered and busy. So having a separate filming area just seemed like a really, really good idea. And so that is what we got going on here, and I love it. So I'm going to kind of get up and show you a little tour of what I got going on here. I love it so much. It's great. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I just love it so much. So first up, I have this wallpaper. It's like a gray peel and stick wallpaper. This is in the basement, so the walls aren't perfect, but the basement actually is a pretty good place to film because it's usually pretty quiet. And so I really do like that. So there's a couple little parts in the wall that aren't great, but that's just because it's basement walls. So this is just such nice wallpaper. It came from Walmart. It's a peel and stick kind, so you just cut it and stick it to the wall pretty much. You just kind of line it up. It's not too difficult, but you know, so we got that. It's really, really nice. And then for lighting purposes here, we got this really, really nice lamp. So it's one of those like dual lamps where there's two lights, so that's really, really good. I got a chair here from Big Lots. Actually, I got this a couple years ago. I really like it. It's just like a gray chair, and so that's really good. I have that, and then I have this bookcase. I feel like this bookcase probably came from Walmart, but I also want to say Target. I think my dad ended up wanting it for books, and then I don't know why he didn't end up using it, so I ended up claiming it. So I'm pretty sure this came from Target, but it's really, really nice. It's got a bunch of different shelves. These are the two shelves that show up on camera. So I got that dedicated to couponing stuff. So Ohio Valley Vlogs. I probably should change that to Ohio Valley Couponer now, since the vlog channel now is back here, but whatever. I have this picture that one of my awesome subscribers, Amy, drew me. Amy H, she is so talented. She made this for me when I hit 10,000 subscribers. So kind to her. I got this cart from Mike and Ken. I love that so much. They even put a cherry icy in it because they know how much I love those. I got this CVS scarf receipt thing that Katie got me for Christmas last year. And I have this hashtag sign, a YouTube cup that I got from my parents for my birthday. I have this Be Still and Know That I'm God plaque. Sorry, there's some lint. Like I said, it's the basement. I got a Walmart basket from, who sent me this? Somebody, Allie, I believe it was Allie sent me that. I love that. And I got a globe from Target that just looked good. And then I also just have some random stuff down here. So like Ohio stuff, the huge dice that I got for Christmas one year from my aunt and uncle. That Clearly Canadian drink, just some plaques and things from church. Our youth pastor went to Paris and brought us back keychains. And so I've always kept that. And then Kate, my cousin Katie and Derek, they went to Hawaii, so they brought me back that keychain. So just random memorabilia. And then up here, childhood memorabilia. So I kind of collect stuff like that. My aunt and uncle got me this set of like stuff from the 2000s for kids, so that's cool. They even gave me a coupon. Like, guys, that's so cool. A $3 off coupon for some toy. The coupon expired in 2001. Like, how cool is that? So stuff like that. And so all that's behind me. These are the two shelves that are really seen on camera. But the others are always there for me to enjoy. So, guys, I just love it. I love it so much. All right. That is my filming tour. My filming area tour. I really hope you guys like it. I love it. It looks really good. It's going to definitely work well for me and filming. I feel like it's like a really good backdrop. It shows my couponing stuff, and it's kind of like basic. Honestly, my old like backdrop, it was pretty busy. Got like my printer and all that stuff behind it. And here, like, it's just the couponing stuff, which I really like that a lot. And the nice, I love this wallpaper so much. Walmart. It was fairly inexpensive. I mean, it was $29.98 a box or something like that. But we only needed, like, I don't think we took a whole box just for this backdrop area. The rest we used, did a kind of like a accent wall in my room, so my bedroom. So I really like it a lot. I think it's good, really good. So anyways, yeah, that's my filming area. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. I know it was quite short. It wasn't as long as some of my other ones, but you know, that's kind of is what it is. And this was over 2 days, so I thought it would be longer, but you know what? There just wasn't a ton of vlog-worthy stuff. It was really just taking the time to get organized and clean and purge stuff. It's been a very busy time cleaning and getting rid of things. I got like 3 bags to donate to Goodwill, so good. I'm glad about that. Need to purge and get rid of stuff. And it feels good to be organized. I just suck at cleaning. Like, cleaning overwhelms me. It's not something that's easy for me to do. So when I finally do it, it's a big deal and it takes a while. So I'm glad that I was able to finally get cleaning today. My mom really motivated me to get it done because I'm going to be real, stuff just sits in a mess too long with me. So sometimes I kind of need that push. Like, okay, you got to clean, So finally got it cleaned, and it's a lot better, so that's good. And I always feel better when it's clean. It's just the act of making myself clean. It's a lot. So anyways, I'm sure there's some of you out there who are the same way, or possibly if you got a kid my age, they might be the same way. I don't know. Maybe it's just like a young guy thing that cleaning's not something that they want to do. I don't know. But anyway, guys, that's all I got for this vlog. I do hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.